of the left. This whole thing is one count. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you bend at 45-degree angle and bend your knees. This brings out more grace in that, and then again do that footing. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first 8 counts of the song is music, in which you just do your kamar 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you start with the Gita footing, and hands are, take the right hand out, right hand is facing, white facing outwards, and left hand is black facing. Then you switch, and then you do it again. Cool? So it goes like 1, 2, आगे, आगे. Okay? Now we'll try this with the Gita footing. So it goes like 1, 2. After you do that, you bring your hands from inside and make a circle. It's like 1, 2. That 2 you do with the Gita footing, so it goes like 1, 2. Side, and this is my right side. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. So keep your left hand here, right hand here, and you clap twice and then pull it back. The power comes from the shoulders. So it goes like 1, 2. You clap double. So it goes 1, 2. Just take your left leg and kick it outside. Cool? And your hand goes left in front first, then right. So the step is like 1, 2. You make fist. You bring your right hand, and then you start with your left hand, complete a circle. When your right hand reaches the top, that's when you start the circle with left, and then both comes down. In continuation, your left hand is outside. You bring the right in and make 2 circles. So from here you make a semicircle with your body also. So it goes like, you take the right hand inwards. It's okay? Okay. We'll do it with the footing once. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You take your right leg forward, lift your left leg, and then bring it back. So it goes 1, 2. You clap and then bring a circle and bring it back. Clap, make a circle, bring it back. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You right leg first forward and walk on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 counts. Okay. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And this step is very girlish, but boys can also do in some attitude, like, so they can basically these 4 counts you have to just walk forward. For girls it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Hops first from your left leg. Bhangra always starts from the left leg first. So you take 1. You lift your left leg and take a slight hop on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now there's a slight variation. These were the basic kinds of hop, but in the actual step there's a slight variation. You take first hop, then second hop towards your right hand side, and then you take your body back, but the hop is in front. Cool? So it goes 1, 2, 3. आगे साइड में पीछे. Cool? And so you 1, 2, 3, and then you take a turn. Okay? So hand goes, take your right hand, swing it in forward, then towards side, and then behind. So it goes like 1, 2, 3. It's clear? Take it. So, and the 4th count is a turn, so you take your hand along with it. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. The next is take your right hand, you take your right leg forward, then bring it back, forward, then bring it back. Okay? And hand, you flap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. On 1 count, you flap it twice. Okay? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do the whole drop once again. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step is you tap twice with middle, then tap twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once again, we'll do the tapping till 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Huh. So your hands are, you take something from the bottle and then keep it. You face towards the left, 45-degree angle towards left. Bring it, keep it, bring it, keep it. Then you make a cross with left outside and then open. Open in a U like this. Make an L from your hands like this. L. Okay? So the whole step is 1, 2, 3, 4. Start. We'll do the hop once again, and this time there's no variation. It's the basic hop. 1, 2. Cool. We do it till 4 counts for now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And the hand goes right hand towards the left. You throw something, and then left towards the right. Again throw something. So it's like 1, 2. Twice. 1, 2. Your right leg is down and left is above. You hop 2 times on the same leg. So it goes 1, 2, change. Okay. So it's together like 1, 2, 1, 2, change. Okay. And hands are, you make a fist, keep it across, then 1, 2, change. You take your head also a bit towards the side and bring your into the cover. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jai Haan. DJ Hum.